Imagine waking up tomorrow and realizing the world has moved ahead with artificial intelligence, and you're left behind. AI isn't just the future, it's the present. From your phone to your job, from your favorite shopping site to the movies you watch, AI is already shaping your life whether you notice it or not. Now here's the truth. If you don't start learning, adapting, and using AI today, tomorrow it might be too late. But don't worry, you've just landed at the right place. Welcome to AI Career Central, your ultimate guide to artificial intelligence, from basics to advanced, from tools to careers, from side hustles to global opportunities. This channel isn't just about AI news or flashy tools, it's about changing your life with AI. Here, you'll discover how AI works in daily life, the best AI tools to save time and make money, how students can learn AI step by step, the future of jobs and how to secure your career, how people all over the world are using AI for growth and income. And the best part, we're not just talking theory, we'll bring you real-world examples, success stories, and practical applications you can start using immediately. Global multi-language promise. But here's something unique about our channel. We believe AI knowledge should not be limited by language. That's why our videos will come with captions in multiple languages: English, Hindi, Spanish, French, German, Arabic, Japanese, and many more. No matter where you live, India, USA, Europe, Middle East, or Latin America, you'll be able to learn AI in your own language. AI is for everyone, and our mission is to make sure this knowledge is accessible across the globe. Hey, why you should care? Now you may be thinking, why should I subscribe to another tech channel? Here's why. AI is not just another technology trend. It's becoming the core skill of this decade. Think about it. The biggest companies in the world, Google, Amazon, Tesla, Microsoft, are powered by AI. Students are already using AI to study smarter. Businesses are using AI to scale faster. Freelancers are making thousands of dollars a month using AI tools. If you ignore it now, you're ignoring the very skill that could define your future. You know, AI is already everywhere. For example, when Netflix suggests a show that you end up binge-watching all night, blame AI. When your phone unlocks just by scanning your face, that's AI. Even when you order pizza online and it magically arrives faster than expected, AI predicted your hunger before you even felt it. So whether you admit it or not, AI already knows you better than your best friend. The question is, are you using AI, or is AI using you? What this channel will cover. On this channel, we'll explore AI tools that make your life easier, AI jobs and careers in the US, India, and worldwide, how to earn money with AI side hustles, the future of education with AI, even the dark side of AI nobody talks about. Basically, this channel is your one-stop hub for AI learning, careers, and opportunities. So, if you're serious about your future, if you don't want to be left behind, and if you want to use AI instead of being used by it, hit that subscribe button right now. Subscribe, like this video, share with your friends, and drop a comment below. Tell us, what AI topic do you want us to cover next? This isn't just a channel, it's a community. Together we'll learn, grow, and shape our future with AI. Remember this, AI is not coming, it's already here. The only question is, are you ready to embrace it? Welcome to AI Career Central. Let's create the future together.